I have a Kohler 15 horsepower engine, model cv15S. Started to smoke a little and ran rough. I found gas in the oil. I replaced the oil. I changed the carburetor, gas cap, fuel filter and spark plug. It ran fine for about an hour. Now it starts quickly, but blows blue smoke very heavy after it runs for about 3 minutes. It will sputter and die after about 5 minutes. It will start again, it blows a lot of blue smoke. I can let it cool down and it will start the entire process again. Is the engine shot or could it be valves or a head gasket? Let me know what you think. Welcome to Just Answer with it. Doing it after warm-up, that is common with bad head gasket. I would replace the head gasket and hope for the best. It can pull oil in from the pushrod cavity side of the head.
Would a bad head gasket cause the gas getting into the oil, or do you think I solved that problem with the new carb?
Carburetor needle valve is what leaks and lets gas into the oil, through the crankcase vent. I like to have a shutoff valve in the fuel line from the tank, and keep it shut off between uses. Briggs valve, about $5. Thanks. I did that also. I will replace the head gasket. So you don't think it could be a bad seated valve or piston rings? It could be rings, but a head gasket is more likely, as rings would show up as soon as engine was started. Head gasket shows up after it warms.
Thanks, I complete the payment for your answer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.